Are you currently in Canada on a work permit, a study permit, or even visiting, and you're just wondering, how can I get permanent residency faster under the new 2025 immigration updates? Well, Canada has made big changes recently, including reduced temporary resident numbers, increased provincial nominations, and a major shift towards giving permanent residency to people already inside Canada. In this video, I'm going to show you practical, fast strategies that foreigners already in Canada can use right now to secure permanent residency, even if your CRS score is low or you're not even on the Federal Express Entry stream or you are on a closed work permit. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So before we explore the strategies, let's quickly understand the November 2025 policy environment. Here is what changed. Canada is reducing new temporary residents from 2026 forward. Secondly, Canada is increasing permanent resident admissions, especially through economic and provincial nominee programs. Thirdly, IRCC is focusing on in-Canada applicants, workers, students, graduates, over those applying from outside Canada. Fourthly, provinces received higher PMP nomination allocations, meaning more pathways for those already living and working in Canada. Also, work permit extension rules were improved. And lastly, study permit rules remain strict, but PGWP holders have better PR chances. So if you're already in Canada, these policies are actually in your favor. Now, the single most important takeaway is Canada wants people who are already contributing to its labor market. That means if you are in Canada as a worker or student, you have a huge advantage right now. Now, let's look at the fastest pathways to PR under these new conditions. Section 1, the fastest pathway now. Convert your work experience into PR through the Canadian Experience Class, that's the CEC plus Provincial Nomination Program, PMP. So if you have at least 1 year of Canadian skilled work experience and the NOC 0, 1, 2, or 3, and you have valid language test, you can qualify for CEC, that's the Canadian Experience Class, which has become the #1 pathway IRCC is using to convert workers inside Canada into permanent residents. Actually, this is the fastest route right now because the CEC draws are more frequent, lower CRS cutoff is required, IRCC prioritizes people already working, and this comes with a faster processing times. Now, how do you take advantage of this? Number 1, make sure your job title matches your NOC correctly. Many people get refused because of wrong NOC. So number 2, you need to gather pay stubs, tax records, and employer letters. Then number 3, take your IELTS self-pip now, don't wait. Then lastly, create an express entry profile immediately. Even if your CRS is low, PMP can boost it by 600 extra points. So how do you use PMP quickly to get your permanent residency? Check your province in-demand occupation list, switch to an employer or job role that matches a PMP stream, use the new policy to move to a new province if needed. Then PMP pathways are now easier for in-Canada workers, did you hear me, than for those outside. Now, for example, a foreigner in Ontario earning $200 per hour as a supervisor can apply to Ontario's targeted streams, get a nomination, and receive an express entry invitation almost instantly. Guys, be smart. Now, Let's move to section 2, using your study permit or PGWP. Now, if you're a student, you can prepare early by working in skilled roles NOC 0 to 3, or get Canadian employers who may support LMIA if needed. Then you have to target PMP friendly provinces. That's for students. Now, if you're already a graduate, meaning you have graduated from a Canadian university and you are a PGWP holder, this is your strongest window because Canada is trying to convert temporary residents into PR, into permanent residents. So provinces heavily target PGWP holders. Then you can apply for PMP even with low CRS. Now, what are the key action steps you need to take? Prioritize getting a skilled job even if part-time. Ask your employer for a promotion or small role title change that move you into a skilled NOC. Don't wait for your PGWP to expire. Apply early. Choose a province that favors graduates. Such provinces like Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Nova Scotia. Now let's move to section 3. Using provinces to fast track your permanent residency. Now, under the new policy, provinces have more power now. Provinces also have more nomination spots. Provinces also prefer people already living and working in the province. So the top provinces where permanent residency is fastest right now between 2025 to 2026 are Saskatchewan, very active in SINP, Alberta, high demand for tech, health and trades. Then Nova Scotia, friendly for health, childcare and business roles. Then we have Manitoba, great for international students and workers. Top provinces where PR is fastest right now. Number 1 is Saskatchewan. They currently have very active SINP streams. Number 2 on my list is Alberta. They have very high demand for tech, health and trades workers. Number 3 is Nova Scotia. They are friendly for health, childcare and business roles. Number 4 is Manitoba. This province is great for international students and workers. Then number 5 is Prince Edward Island. They consistently have draws based on employer needs. Now, the last one on my list is Newfoundland and Labrador. This province is great for skilled labor shortages. So how do you take advantage? Number 1, you can move to a province where your NOC is in demand. Number 2, secure a job offer in that province. Then apply through the provincial express entry stream. Then you are going to receive 600 bonus points and you'll be able to get permanent residency invitation the next draw. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more updates. Till I see you in my next video. My name is Esther. Bye.